y'all, welcome back. So we have another cold front coming through. We're probably gonna get some snow this time and we need to get our animals prepared for that. So today I'm going to be taking you along as we prepare our animals for this and take care of them during this big winter storm. Don't worry, this is the poop room. These things can. Look at all of that. Yuck. Right now we're gonna move all of our rabbits into the garage because it's gonna be below freezing for the next 3 days. There we go. Got Peanut and Libby in here in the garage. And Theodore down there in that cage. We're gonna move that one into our house for them to stay in. What are y'all doing? Okay. Now we got these guys inside. They're very confused. They're like, what are we doing in here? So today it is super cold. We need to finish up wrapping the animal pen. So first of all, we started finishing up wrapping our turkey pen. The wind was pretty bad, so it was kind of hard to keep my tripod standing. It actually kept falling over. Then we finished up wrapping the back of the chicken coop. Then we took a little break and came back out to finish wrapping this chicken coop. And sorry about the audio, guys. I'm a little congested right now, so just bear with me. So now we are putting the roof extension over this coop. This will just kind of help keep it insulated. So we got the coops completely wrapped and now we're working on feeding the animals. So this morning all of our chicken waters were completely frozen over, so we had to go out and pour hot water into the rim of their water dish so that they were able to drink. Okay, so now I'm going to clean out this coop because it is rather disgusting. First, we gotta move this. Some of the chickens are coming into this coop to check it out. Hey! Goodness, look how cute this tiny little bird is in here. Oh my goodness! Hello! It's so cute. It's like tiny. Oh my goodness. It's so little. Okay, let's see if this little bird will come out. Where is it? Oh, wait. Oh, it got into the rabbitry now. Okay. Let me go back over there and see if I can. So what I did was I left that door right there open so that if it comes through the wire here, it can fly out through there. But that's basically the only way it can get out. So right now we are basically in the midst of a cold front. We have just been coming out, breaking up ice waters, putting hot water in their buckets so that they don't freeze over. And now we are letting some of the animals out to run around and exercise, and then we're gonna feed them. Rosie loves her alfalfa. I think it's like her pregnancy craving, you know?
Well, it's high calorie.
Yeah.
She's got to have so many.
Hey, Juju. Hey. Uh-oh, she's gonna try to go in that hay again. Juju. Ah. You gonna jump up there? I don't know if she can jump that high, but she wants to. Oh. What are you thinking? I don't think you can jump up there. All right, come on, let's get down. Yeah, get down, Juju. Get down. Come on, get down. Oh my goodness, you okay? Okay, good girl. Got a fire going. It feels so good. The wind is blowing it like crazy, though.
It's getting in my eyes. It's burning my eyes.
Ooh, you almost burned your butt. Well guys, this vlog has not gone the way I expected it to. I thought this was gonna kind of be a snow vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.